in Balich Brown. Sometimes we don't want to know because what we don't know doesn't hurt, right? So we don't want to know many things. We don't want to know the details of something. It's too much information. Maybe we don't want to know that someone is cheating on us or betrayed us because we don't want to deal with the thing. Some people don't want to know their destiny or their purpose because they feel that if they know, they need to act on it, and maybe it will require them to change a lot in their life, and they don't want to change so much. So it doesn't have to be that big, it can be even small, but many things we do not want to know, like, don't tell me, I prefer not to know. But then what happens is that we put a lot of energy, the thing is that we know already. So we know because that's why we don't want to know. We know because it's obvious to us, and we don't want to know because we know what it is. And also we are connected to the whole. We are all one, and we are all one energy flows, and we are connected to the collective knowledge. And we don't need to be told with words, the 3%, because we get through the energy and the vibrations with the 97%, and it's all around us. We just receive it in different ways, even though we don't hear it or read it. We just get it. We just get it. We know already. And then when we don't want to know, we invest a lot of energy in pushing away the knowing. So we want to deny and ignore and repress, and we put there a lot of energy just not to take it up into our awareness, although we are already aware to this. So then all this energy makes this blockage not to know, blockage to the knowledge. But then if we block, everything is blocked. We block everything. We block the natural flow. So we block the flow of the abundance, of love, of happiness. We block the general flow of the universe around us. We block the synchronicity. We block everything, and we don't really live in happiness and abundance and bliss if things don't flow around us freely. So yes, it's not always very pleasant to know, and sometimes we need to deal with things, and sometimes we need to take responsibility, and on some things we don't want to act, and this is okay, but it gives us the choice, the opportunity to choose what we want to do. It gives us the opportunity to make decisions, acknowledgeable decisions, and we can choose that we don't want to act on the thing, and this is okay, but it came from an aware place and a clear place, and then we can live in much more peace instead of busy ourselves in pushing away things, and the flow around us is open for everything else, and we can just enjoy life much better, although we know what we didn't want to know, but then again everything is open and possible. Love you, have a great time, and like always, ask me, share with me, leave me comments, share with others. I'm here for all of us. See you next time.